Hello and welcome to free Excel tutorial videos. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can I'm going to show you two ways that you can transpose the data set in Microsoft Excel. So what we want to achieve here is to have from this worksheet that I have here, what we want to achieve is to have our months. Instead of having them horizontally, we want to see them line up vertically over here. So to achieve this, we can transpose our dataset. There's two ways to do this. The first method is to use the copy-paste special transpose, and the second method is to use a transpose function, which is an array function. So to show you, I have this data set of sales here for 6 months, and the first step that you need to do, I'm going to show you the first method, which is the paste special transpose. So the first step is to select all the data. So you can click on any cell in the data set and press the keyboard shortcut Ctrl A. Okay, so next I'm going to right mouse and I'm going to copy. Okay, and I'm going to come down here and right click, select paste special. Okay, once you select paste special, we have a lot of options in here. So I'm going to select transpose and click OK. Alright, so now you see we have the product running across the worksheet and the months running from on this on left side over here from top to bottom. Okay, notice also that the formatting that I applied is also carried over. I have bold on the months, and it's also have the bold formatting over here, and as well as the function is also copied. So I have the sum function over here in this cell, and the formula is also carried together when you use the paste special transpose. Okay, but with the paste special transpose, the copied data is just absolute data. It does not have a link to the source data. So what do I mean? Okay, now if I come over here and change the value to 150,000, notice that the value here does not change. The equivalent value here does not change. Okay, product 1 January, it doesn't change. Okay, this is because it does not have a link to the source data, which is up here. Okay, so using the copy paste special transpose is useful only if you are aiming to restructure your data and to view it in a different different manner. So let me undo this. If you want to maintain a link to your source data, you will need to use the transpose function. Alright, now let's see how this transpose function works. Okay, the first step is you need to copy the labels over here. Okay, I'm going to select and copy. I'm going to put right here. Alright, paste, normal paste will do, and undo that. Let's put it one more cell to the right, copy. Made a mistake, so come here, copy, come here, paste. Also, you need to copy the labels over here and paste. Okay, so now we have the labels horizontally and vertically, and this is what we want. Okay, from the difference from the original, which is the months up here and the product up here. So now we have the product up here and the months over here on the left. Okay, and we want to select the cells that will receive the transpose. Okay, so now let's type the function. Okay, this is the cells we have selected. Let's type the function here, equals transpose. Okay, and as you can see, with the transpose function, there is only one argument, which is the array. Okay, so the array will be all the cells that we have up here. So just select all of the cells. Okay, so it is from cell B3 G8, and close the bracket. And pay attention here, because this function, this transpose function, is an array function, so you will not be able to complete the function if you press only the enter key. So for this function, you need to press Ctrl Shift Enter. So press Ctrl Shift Enter. So there you go. We have transposed the data from here to here. Okay, and let me just adjust this. And notice, if you see inside here, you notice that the formula is pointing to the original data set over here. You know, any part of it, you see. So another thing is, with transpose data, you cannot change the value in here. So if I change this, it will give me an error. Okay, so this is the good thing about it. And also, if I come over here and change the data over here, product 1 January, product 1 January. So if I come over here to change the data from the source data, let's change this to 150,000. Notice that over here will change as well. So if I hit enter, here will change as well. Okay, this is the good thing about using the transpose function. Okay, and I want to apply formatting, so let's come over here, come to this cell over here and use the brush, and let's apply the formatting. And you can see that we have applied the dollars to the cells below. Okay, and once you have this data, you can just format the way you want it to look, like how you want it to be. Okay, you can do it like this, you can do it like this. Okay, so that is two ways that you can transpose your Excel data in Microsoft Excel. Okay, the copy paste special transpose, and also using the transpose function. Okay, so that is how you can transpose your Excel data in Microsoft Excel. So that's it for this tutorial. I will see you in the next tutorial.